In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and automate a campaign in ActiveCampaign. We'll walk through building a simple automation together, starting from a blank workflow. So by the end, you'll have an email that sends automatically whenever someone meets the conditions you choose. First, log into your ActiveCampaign account and look over to the left-hand side of the screen. In the sidebar menu, click on Automations. This is the area where all of your automated workflows live and where you can create new ones or edit existing ones. Once you're in the Automations section, go to the top right corner and click the button that says Create an Automation. ActiveCampaign will now ask how you want to get started. For full control, choose Start from Scratch, then click Continue. Starting from scratch gives you a clean, empty workflow so you can design exactly what you want without any pre-built steps getting in the way. Next, you'll be prompted to add a start trigger. This is really important because the trigger decides when a contact enters your automation. Common triggers include subscribes to a list, which is great when someone opts into your newsletter, or tag is added, which works well if you tag contacts based on actions, like downloading a lead magnet. Choose the trigger that matches your goal, configure any required settings, then click Save. Take a moment here to make sure the trigger conditions are correct because everything that follows depends on this. Now you'll see your empty workflow starting from that trigger. Click the plus icon on the workflow path to add your first action. A menu will appear with different action types. Under Sending Options, select Send an Email. This tells the automation to send an email to every contact who reaches this step. You'll now be asked to create an email. Give your email a clear internal name so you can recognize it later in your reports. Then move into the email designer. Choose a template or start from scratch and add your subject line and content. Make sure your message matches the reason someone entered the automation. When you're happy with the design and copy, follow the prompts to finish and save the email. Back on the workflow, you can click the plus icon again if you want to add more logic, like a wait step to delay the next action, or an if-else condition to branch contacts based on behavior or data. These are optional, but they're powerful for more advanced automations. Finally, once everything looks good, go to the top right of the automation builder and switch the status to active. This turns your automation on. From this point forward, any contact who meets your start trigger conditions will automatically enter the workflow and receive your email exactly as you've set it up.